Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your device and account are ready. You cannot proceed otherwise. Check device 5G compatibility and VO NR support, and make sure firmware is current. Next, verify your Airtel plan allows unlimited 5G or request an upgrade. This avoids surprises on billing. Once done, insert the 5G SIM and backup current network settings. Write down the APN values so you can restore them if necessary. This initiates the activation path and prevents configuration mistakes later. You now configure the device software to use 5G. Go to Mobile Network Settings and set preferred network type to 5G/4G/3G Auto. This allows fallback. Then update the APN to Airtel's values exactly. Save and select the new APN so data routes correctly. After making changes, restart the phone to complete registration with the 5G cell. Once restarted, observe the signal. You should see the 5G icon and stable bars. This confirms the network-level connection is established. Finish by validating performance. Run speed and latency tests, stream video, and confirm no throttling in normal use. If you do not get 5G, first toggle airplane mode, restart the phone and reinsert the SIM, then try manual network selection or band locking if your device allows it. If issues persist, call Airtel support and provide a MAE, SIM number, and the upgrade request details. This speeds resolution. Key troubleshooting tip: always test in a known good 5G coverage area before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.